2-2 pitch here. That's hit hard. One hop to Kason Eubanks, the shortstop. He'll make Darnell, who singled. That's hit back up the middle and through. Rounding second and headed for third is Darnell. He'll get there easily. Bryan delivers. That's laced through the left side, and Troy's going to break on top. An opposite field plate. That's a call, strike three. You could see that Burroway was fooled on that one, and he painted ball out of play that was in play. Hillen's got a new baseball, and he's ready with the count. That's hit deep down the right field line. That'll be a fair ball off the wall in right. Meyer will round first. He'll head towards second. They'll hold Watts up at third. A screaming line drive off the contact somewhere and get Watts in from third. He makes contact. This is a fly ball to right. It's carrying to the wall. They're going to play it off the wall, and it is out of here. It carries all the way out of here. It's just a lazy fly ball that looked like it was going to come off the top of the scoreboard, but it carries out of here. A 3-run shot from Sean Darnell, and the Trojans break on top 4-0. Time. That'll be a line drive picked just off of the turf, just the first base or the second base bag, all on the third base side.
Ground the ball over to third base. He'll try to go to the second, on to first. In time for a double play. Drew Nelson pumps his fist. He gets off of the field. Bullpen just kind of walking around doing some stretches and some exercises, but right now it's his game. As Meyer steps in, he hits it again to right field, and it's in the hole for a base hit. Meyer continues to hit the ball well. He continues. There goes Meyer. Meyer racing down to second. He'll slide under the tag, and he'll get in there with his second stolen base. You know, the one to Meyer.
The hardest hit ball was the line drive to Watts at third that ended the third.
Valentine takes a.
He might try to get him to chase something out of the zone or stick with that breaking stuff that Lipoma hasn't centered up yet.
Got him looking, strike three in the outside corner. Lipoma don't like.
You have to do, even if when you don't necessarily want to do it every day. I mean,
base hit here to the left off of the bat of Brooks.
Riding that out later in the year.
Full count pitch is driven into left from Cool. Mike, he has continued to hit the ball, and this will be a gapper into the left field, up against the left field wall.
Here comes Brooks ranging in. He'll score. So a 2-run double for Cool in the left center gap. Valentine line drive to center field. Meyer ranging to his left. He hauls it in for the out to get the plays out in the outfield, making an impact at the plate again. Just can't ask for a much better debut. He lines a pitch into right field for a base hit there. Runner will be held at third, and the Trojans will have the bases loaded now with just one out. Lewis, bouncing ball to the pitcher. LeBlanc gets it, fires over the first. Good play, LeBlanc.
Welch with the bases empty. Delivers the 2-2. Swung on and missed. Got him to chase a high heater. It's breaking pitch. He gets him to swing and miss. Tuesday night game against at home. The runner goes, throw down is not going to get him. It'll get past him. He's going to take off for third, and Meyer will go into third. That'll be a stolen base. Probably called in the series. Not today, but we've seen it in the series. Now the 3-2. Hit deep to right. Look up. That one is out of here. Grand slam home run. Brooks Bryan, his first home run of the season, and it puts 4 across for the Trojans. It is 13-4.
That was a deep home run. We knew it was a matter of time that he was going to get that first home run of the year, and he did. And not only did he hit it, but he hit it a long ways.
Off of the bat, it was just a matter of would it clear the wall. You knew it had the distance. Take a look at. And he will. That's a base hit back up the middle. A run will score. And this one is going to belong to the Trojans via the run rule. Peyton Watts singles back up the middle. Houston